This is a technical summary of the article titled Venetoclax FluBu2 RIC Transplant, followed by all oral Venetoclax decitabine maintenance for poor-risk MDS AML. Published in Blood Advances in 2026 by Garcia J.S. et al. Disclaimer: educational content only, not medical advice. Presented by 5-Minute Hematology. For poor-risk MDS or AML after reduced intensity transplant, can oral venetoclax plus decitabine cedazuridine maintenance reduce relapse? Relapse remains the leading reason patients fail reduced intensity allogeneic transplant, especially with adverse mutations or detectable MRD. Prior randomized trials of hypomethylating agent maintenance alone have not shown clear survival benefit after transplant. An all-oral venetoclax plus HMA strategy might improve adherence and deepen disease control during immune reconstitution. For full access to the complete 5-Minute Hematology library, visit 5minutehematology.com. Stay current, stay evidence-based.